Hey guys, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how can we create a new project on the Asana app. So let's get started. Once you open the Asana app, you are going to get this page. Here you can see create option, click on this, and in this you can see project option, click on this. And you can just create a new project here. How would you like to start? You can just take a blank project, use template, or you can import spreadsheet. So it's on you what you want here. So I am choosing a blank page. Now you can add your project name here. You can also select the privacy option, as you can keep it on public to my workspace, and you can also change it into the private. So you can just choose any option. You can also select the view of your project. If you click on board, it will look like this. If you click on timeline, it will look like this. So I am just choosing this and click on continue. What do you want to do first? Start adding tasks, share with teammates, set up workflow. So choose any option and go to project. So you can see your new project is ready for you. You can just add a task here, write task name, and this is how you can add task. Again, if you want add task, you can just click on the add task and write task name again. So this is how you can do this. You can just go to calendar if you want, and if you want to go to dashboard, you can also check your dashboard here. You can also check the list. This is your task name, and we have due date also. You can add the assignee here if you want. You can just add assignee like this. So this is how you can just create a new project on this Asana app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.